Humor creates rapport, it creates resiliency, it creates a team culture. And when you can laugh at something together, you're turning a negative into a positive. I have a lot of experience making people funny. This is where I name drop. When I was at Ellen, Kathunk, Jay Leno, David Letterman, Tom Hanks, Helen Mirren. Here's a slide that is so braggy it will make the sandwiches come up. Some of the shows I've worked on, these are the ones I'm willing to admit to. That's about 2.5 decades of comedy writing experience there. You want to know what I learned from all that? Truth is funny. Truth is funny. Truth is funny. I did a military tour of Iraq. That's Sadr City, 2008. If you have the chance to go to Iraq in August, don't. No, don't. It was 130 degrees. Truth is funny. Me, middle-aged lesbian in front of 19-year-old Marines. I opened every show with the big bases get the Dallas Cowboy cheerleaders. You get me. Those are the Dallas Cowboy cheerleaders. There's a difference. And it did not go unnoticed by those 19-year-old Marines. But it was funny because it's true. That is a USO tour. That is exactly who was at the big bases. Truth is funny. And 30 seconds in using that joke, I had laughter, I had emotion, I was building trust, and trust that I needed for them to keep listening to me for the next 29 minutes. I'm good at being Tom Hanks, but he's better. That's fine.
It's a bit of a personal question, really.
Gay.
Yes.
Oh. Comedy is seasoning, and you don't need a lot. Sometimes all you need is just a little light dusting. If you think of it like salt, just a little bit of salt can be transformative, depending on what the dish is. I mean, you put a few grains of sea salt on chocolate, and it's absolutely amazing. And if you put a few more on, it's just weird. So it's all relative. There's one word where my Philadelphia accent and her West Country accent align perfectly. Waitrose. It's exactly the same. And I said that to my wife when I noticed it, and she laughed, and then she said, "You can't tell my family that." And I assumed that it was because she didn't want her family to think I was making fun of their accent, and it turned out, no, she just doesn't want them to know we shop at Waitrose. You're all performers, so clearly not enough attention paid to us. Too true? Too true, okay.